What's going on here?
Your animals have made a shambles of my store. I should charge you every cent you own.
You're already charging it. For a pound of ground sirloin. Your prices here are high.
Well, sure, they're high, but people are dumb enough to pay them. That's why I want to put that little market out of business. His prices across the street are half of ours. Why, he's making it hard for me to soak the customers. Plus, that guy has real fresh meat and vegetables and where are you people going? Why aren't you buying?
Have you ever thought of stepping up to big pay with a career in the fast-paced world of broadcasting?
Come back! Come back! I'll give quadruple coupons, more contests. I'll even stock fresh milk.